everybody, it's Mr. Hop here with Classic Composers, and in today's video lesson we're going to learn how to make a sound on our mouthpiece, and then we're going to do some exercises with our tuba mouthpiece. This is going to correspond to lessons number 10 and 11 in the pre-method book. Okay, so let's get into it. You're going to need your mouthpiece to start, and what we're first going to do is form our embouchure, and then we're going to buzz, and then we'll put our mouthpiece in. So remember to say the word M and freeze. So M. Check that your corners of the lips are firm and your lower lip is pressed up against the bottom teeth. And now you're gonna start with your M. You're gonna blow some air through to get the top lip and the bottom lip to vibrate, and you should make a buzz sound. Now that you've got that buzz down, what you're going to do is you're going to take your mouthpiece, and your mouthpiece is going to get placed on your face. And when you place your mouthpiece, you want it to be 50% on the top, 50% on the bottom, and the exact middle of your face. This would be good. This is to the side. This is not good. This will be too low. This will be too high, but right exactly in the middle. So what you're going to do is once the mouthpiece is to your face, you're going to M, you're going to buzz, and then that buzz should activate the mouthpiece, and you should get a clear tone from the mouthpiece. And it should be a deeper tone like that if you're doing it right. That's the sound that you should be aiming for. So now that you've done that, we're going to move on to some mouthpiece exercises, and there's going to be 3 of them. The first round of 3 that you're going to do is just with buzzing. The second round of 3 is going to be with the mouthpiece. And the final round of 3 is actually going to be putting the whole tuba together. So for this first one, what you're going to do is you're going to take a deep breath and you're going to buzz for as long as you possibly can. And then when you're out of air, you're going to stop and you're going to reset, and you're going to do that a total of 4 times. So it'll be like this. That's our first time. Second time. Third time. And last time. Now that you've done that, you're going to buzz for 4 counts. And then after 4 counts, you're going to stop, you're going to breathe, you're going to reset, and you're going to do this 4 times. We're going to turn the metronome on to help us with our counting here, and here we go. Breathe. Off. Second time, breathe. Off. Third time, breathe. Off. Fourth time, breathe. Off. And that's it. Our third exercise with the buzzing that we're going to do is you're going to buzz 4 times for 1 count each. And you're going to do that a total of 4 times. So here we go. Breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Fourth time, breathe. And off right there. The next set of 3s, we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to do it with our mouthpiece. So the first one, we're going to buzz in the mouthpiece as long as we can. So here we go. And breathe. Second time. Here's the third time. Here's our breath. Last time, breathe. And off right there. The second round, we're going to sustain it for 4 counts each. Make sure that you're starting each sound by thinking and speaking the word ta as you're playing, and the tip of the tongue should articulate the beginning of each sound. So 4 counts for each one. Okay, breathe. Second time, breathe. Here's the third time, breathe. Final time, breathe. And off. The final round, we're going to put our mouthpiece into our tuba, and we're going to do all those exercises with our tuba this time. You're going to press no fingers down, and so the first time we're just going to sustain it for as long as possible. Out of there. Second time. Third time. And fourth time. Now when you're doing this, it's important that each time that you keep your sound as steady as possible, which means that you're not moving around, your face isn't doing anything as you're playing, and you're just keeping the note steady. Okay, moving on to our second exercises. You're going to go 4 counts for each one. So let's get the metronome turned back on here. Breathe. Off. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Last time, breathe. And off right there. Our final time, we're going to go 4 times each for 1 count each time. Make sure you're articulating each sound with the word ta, and your tongue is what's starting the airstream for each one. So here we go. Breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Last time, breathe. And off right there. Make sure you're practicing these exercises every single day so that you can fully develop a good tuba sound.